Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. First thing guys is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it, and then go back, open the apps, go to the apps, go to the Instagram app, click on this force stop option and then click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, scroll, make sure to enable all the options right here. Now last thing you want to do is click on the permissions, make sure also to enable all the permissions. And last thing now is you have to go back into the wireless and networks and then enable the Wi-Fi again, reopen Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.